Welcome back to Midwest Access. Well, we are very excited to have Karen back here and talk about senior citizens. There's a low-income wills clinic. It's a mouthful.
It is a mouthful, but it does a lot of good, so
Yes.
it's worth saying it again.
It is.
Legal Assistance of Olmsted County
Yes.
is the legal aid organization in Olmsted County. We are one of 2 single county legal aid organizations in the state of Minnesota.
Okay.
And on May 1st and 2nd, we are going to have what we call a senior citizens low-income wills clinic.
This is fabulous.
It really
Yes.
is, and I will tell you, of all of, everyone leaves the clinic with their documents in hand.
Really?
And they're so relieved,
Oh.
and they are so happy.
Yes.
So we call it a clinic
Yep.
because it's just a hour and a half, 2-hour
Okay.
appointment with an estate planning attorney. So in Olmsted County, we are privileged to have amazing attorneys who volunteer for us.
Incredible.
I know, attorneys get bad raps, but I'll tell you what, we have about 60 attorneys who volunteer for us for various clinics. And for this one, they help senior citizens, and we define that pretty broadly. So if you're
Okay.
55 or older, you can call us to
Okay.
register. We help do a simple will,
All right.
power of attorney, and a healthcare directive, which is tremendous peace of mind.
Yes.
You get them done, no cost, because it is for people who are low
Oh
income.
my gosh. This
So-
is incredible.
And so we have attorneys, sometimes we have 6 or 8 attorneys in our office on any given wills clinic day, and they sit down. People who register for the clinic have to fill out a questionnaire beforehand,
Okay.
so that they think about the things that they're going to want to
It's a
designate.
really good idea,
You
yeah.
can't just come in and then say, oh, I don't know what exactly I want to do, because
Right.
we want to use the attorney's time.
Yes,
right?
yes,
Right.
absolutely. And you want them to leave with those documents in hand.
And they
they're
do.
big decisions.
They are big decisions.
They're big decisions. This
So-
is really incredible.
We do it twice a year.
Okay.
We do it in the spring and we do it in the fall. We try to avoid bad weather days. But the joke, I can't even remember which, we scheduled it for the end of April a couple of years ago.
Okay.
And would you not know that it was like the blizzard
The
conditions
blizzard.
that Sarah's talking about
It's
that are
insane.
coming. But this is May 1st and 2nd, so
Okay.
hopefully we're safe.
All right.
And you can register or you can call us at
Okay.
507-287-2036.
Okay.
Or you can go to our website, which is laocmn.org. Or you can just look up Legal Assistance, Olmsted County, and
Yes.
you're going to pull us up.
It'll bring you
so
right there.
that's one of the low-income clinics
Okay.
that we do. But a lot of the other clinics we do are really this wonderful safety net, because normally for legal aid, you have to be below 200% of federal poverty guidelines.
Okay.
There are an awful lot of people who are just a little above
Right,
that,
yeah.
and paying an attorney is a real
Expensive.
hardship.
Yep.
Yep.
And it's overwhelming too. It's just an overwhelming thing to even think about doing.
And who do you call, right?
Yes, exactly.
So we have a lot of other clinics that we do. We do family law clinics, financial law clinics, expungement clinics. We have a landlord-tenant clinic.
Oh my goodness.
We do family clinics in Fillmore and in Dodge. We do clinics with the Women's Shelter, the Father Project, IMAA, Jeremiah program.
Really?
So that's one of the ways that we can meet with people to help them understand as a preliminary
Yes.
basis
Yes.
what their legal issue is. Because a lot of people come to us and they say, I think I have an A problem, but really they have a Z problem, right?
And we don't know. We're not, you know, well versed in the legalese, as it were. This is really incredible. I'm just like, is everyone really hearing this? How cool this is. That a will, the power of attorney. So in my
So the
previous
wills
life,
clinic, yeah, go on, tell me what.
Oh, I used to work in healthcare, and it is so important to have that power of attorney. You have no idea. I mean, you do have an idea,
Yeah.
but you may not have any idea. It might seem overwhelming, but make sure you get this on your calendar, register ahead of time, think about those decisions, and come and take advantage of this.
Right. And if, because of this segment, we end up having a waiting list, we will have another wills clinic. We will
Okay.
get you in. We also make it a priority that if somebody is ill
Yeah.
and they are facing some medical issues,
Sure.
that we'll try to make an emergency appointment to get people in so they can get the documents all teed up and done. It is great peace of mind for people to have all of those done.
Yeah, huge, huge. Yeah, I can't say enough. Because I worked in healthcare, I've had a power of attorney and a will since I was like 27. But it's very important.
And if you have a healthcare director, you also want it to be on file with your physician and your provider, because they have to know what decisions you want in. It's a standing joke in our office. We could get hit by that bus at any point, and you never know.
You do not. And it's not enough to have them. They need to be in a place where people are going to know that you have them. Thank you so much, Karen.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yes. Oh, my gosh. So we're going to have this information on the website as well. And please share with your family and friends that could benefit from this amazing service. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, coming up, Viv is here live to talk about caring for your houseplants with this week's Viv's Groovy Garden.